Hi everyone! In this video, we'll show you how to install and activate WPBakery Page Builder. Before we begin, make sure you have your WPBakery plugin zip file ready. If you downloaded WPBakery directly from WPBakery.com, you're all set and can use the zip file as it is. If you received a full package from another source, extract it first and locate the js_composer.zip file inside. Now log into your WordPress admin dashboard. From the left-hand menu, go to Plugins, then visit to Add New Plugin page, click Upload Plugin, select or drag the js_composer.zip file and click Install Now. Once the installation is complete, click Activate Plugin. The final step is activating your license. In your WordPress dashboard, go to WPBakery Page Builder Settings options and open the Product License section and click Activate License. It will redirect to the license activation page. Select the available license key and click the Activate License button, and it's done. Make sure you are logged in to WPBakery Support Portal to activate the license. Activating your license ensures you'll receive plugin updates and gives you access to premium features such as the template library, WPBakery AI, and Support Plus. That's it! Your WPBakery Page Builder is now installed, activated, and ready for you to start building your website. Happy building with WPBakery!